I'm Virginia Stockwell with Simply VA, and I'm a personal chef. And the difference between a personal chef and a private chef is that a private chef works for just one family or individual, and a personal chef is employed by numerous families. So I work for about 16 different families currently. It changes all the time, and so I'm a personal chef. So mom and dad go to work all day, and they come home from work, they're exhausted, and the kids are wondering what's for dinner. And they end up probably doing takeout or going out to eat. So I thought, why can't I go in, make meals for them, and then they'll have healthy weeknight dinners? So I decided this is what I'm gonna do. And I looked it up and it turned out that it's a profession. I didn't even know, personal chef. So there are a few other personal chefs already in my area, and I thought, yeah, there's enough room in the market that I could do this too. And I specialize in healthy weeknight dinners for families. So for a typical cook session, I show up with groceries, I cook a few meals, then leave them in the refrigerator, and the client just heats and serve according to the instructions I left behind. Now I wanted to answer some of the interesting questions I get a lot when I tell somebody I'm a personal chef. The first question they always ask me is, are all your clients famous? And no, actually, I don't have anybody famous. I don't even know anybody famous. So no, my clients are just regular people who understand that they would rather pay somebody else in exchange for more time. Another question I get asked is, why don't I cook all the food at home and then bring them over to the client? And that is a good question, except the health department gets involved heavily then. They'd have to approve my kitchen for cooking like a restaurant. They'd have to approve the method of my transferring the prepared meals over to the client's house. And there'd also be additional taxes for me, meals tax, sales tax, and those are taxes that I don't have to pay as a personal chef. I've been asked, do people ever tell their family or their friends that they cooked the meal when it was me? And the truth is that I've offered before, say, go ahead and tell everyone you made it, but most people are, they tell the truth. They're like, no, I can't take credit for it. My friends, my family, they know I don't cook, so no, I'm not taking credit for it, but that's a funny question. A lot of people think that when I tell them I'm a personal chef, they think that all my clients are seniors, that they're just too decrepit to be able to cook for themselves, and that's just not true. I don't have any older people who are decrepit and can't cook for themselves. But I mostly cook for families, and again, they're just looking to exchange time for money. They want more time in their lives, so this is how they're choosing to spend their money. Now, people who want to get into the profession have different kinds of questions, like, doesn't everybody want Mondays? And I thought that when I first started that everybody would want Monday and Tuesday, but when they have a different lifestyle of not cooking on the weekends, that's also a draw for them. And some people are retired, so having a Friday or Thursday cook session is fine for them. So it really depends on their lifestyle. Not everybody wants Monday and Tuesday, though it definitely are two of the most popular days. Another question I get asked is, does this only work in big cities? And the city I live in, it's less than 200,000 people. So no, I don't live in a big city at all. This is not a big city area, yet I have plenty of clients. So it really depends, I think, on the income level, what the industry is in your area, but I imagine big cities would have more competition. So in my town, I think there might be 3 to 5 possibly. So yeah, I think the level of competition is more important than how big your town is. Of course I get asked, do you need special certification or go to some kind of school to be able to become a personal chef? And I don't have anything like that. I just have a passion for cooking healthy food, so thought that I'd love to share with other people. So yeah, this is why I became a personal chef. And I have clients and people interested in getting in the business ask me if I have one menu for everybody, and that just would not be possible. Right now I have about 16 families, and each family has its own allergies, food preferences. They each have their own idea of what they think healthy diets are. So there's no way I could have one menu and have 16 groups of people choose from it. I also have rotating recipes throughout the year, depending on the season. I'm not going to serve a strawberry salad in the middle of winter. A couple questions I get asked for people wanting to get in the business are, how do you go about charging and how do you go about getting clients? So those are great questions, of course. I'd like to dedicate an entire video to each topic because those are there's a lot involved in both of them. So yes, please subscribe and you can catch those future videos. So I hope this helped you learn a little about what a personal chef life is like, and I hope to see you again. Thanks.